Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos. Standard 10th, video number 30, Quadratic Equations, Section A, Easy. Let's start. In the equation, x square minus x minus m minus 1 upon mx minus x minus m plus 1 equals to x upon m. The roots are real and equal when m equals to, means you have to solve this. First, bring it to the form ax square plus bx plus c, and then use the formula roots are real and equal, means use b square minus 4ac equals to 0. First solve this. Okay. So how to solve this? Let's start. X square minus x minus m minus 1 upon this blah 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 equals to x upon m. Cross this. So it becomes mx square minus mx minus m square minus m, right? This m goes on this side and this denominator goes on the x side, equals to mx square minus x square minus mx plus x. Now bring all mx and solve everything. What remains? M square minus m square minus m equals to minus x square plus x. So bring them on one side. It becomes x square minus x minus m square minus m equals to 0. So bring x square and x on the left hand side. It becomes x square minus x minus m square minus m equals to 0. Now this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. C is this full minus m square minus m. This is full c. So roots are real and equal. So it becomes b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Therefore minus 1 square, okay, minus 4 into 1 into c is what, this full minus m square minus m equals to 0. Solve this. 1, then here minus 4 into minus m square minus plus 4m square, and here plus 4m equals to 0. Now what is this but 4m square plus 4m plus 1 equals to 0. So 4m square plus 2m plus 1 equals to 0. That is 2m into 2m plus 1 and 2m plus 1 common, and 2m plus 1 both sides now. So 2m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 equals to 0. 2m. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.